Hello everyone, welcome to another video today. We will create social media post. So the post is about live music concert. Let's take a picture of a DJ. Let's convert this image to a PNG. Make sure to mask out the extra areas as well. Let's align the PNG in the post and start designing. Create a solid color layer. Now let's download some torn paper PNG. Let's give the DJ a cool stroke effect. Let's add some text. Turn off the fill and turn on the stroke of the text layers.
I still got so much to say before it all just fades away. And I'll do whatever it takes to make up for all of my mistakes.
Create a new layer and with the brush tool create some highlight details and change its blend mode to hard light.
And I'm finally tired of all the standing by. Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try. Let me show you what I'm made of. I am so much more than my mistakes.
And I'm finally tired of all the standing by.
Never said that I was perfect, but I'm willing to try.
Let me show you what I'm made of. I am so much more than my mistakes.
Don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Tryna get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue, and yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you're there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you're there. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you're there. There's more to me, but anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there. You're there. I don't be alone. You're there. I don't be alone. I find you there. You're there. I don't be alone.
Create a circle with the ellipse tool to give a little touch of music wave effect at the background.
I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to live a different life, cause lights and cameras are in it. Trying to find a silver lining.
Go to Filter, Render and select Lens Flare.
I'm losing it. There's no more screaming and sliding. Get out my face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crowd.
Now color grade the image with Camera Raw filter.
Try to be alone, I find you're there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you're there. Yeah, yeah. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone.
And boom. There you go, like and subscribe.
I think the girls with their nails done now.